Hello guys, welcome to Never Stop Learning. So today we are going to see the current affairs of 1st July 2021. So without wasting much time, let us begin with our first question. Question number 1, it is which among the following vaccine makers has sought emergency use approval from the Indian drug regulator for its COVID-19 vaccine ZyCov D? And the answer is Zydus Cadila. Indian drug maker Zydus Cadila informed on 1st July 2021 that it has submitted its application at Drugs Controller General of India DCGI for emergency use approval of COVID-19 vaccine. ZyCovid, the drug manufacturer, plans to manufacture up to 120 million doses of the shot annual. So this is quite important question. You should remember Zydus Cadila. You should remember. Let me erase this. So let's move to another question. See, this is also important question. So have a look. PM Modi, Narendra Modi announced a credit guaranteed scheme worth how much to meet the short rainfall in health facilities during his address to doctor. It is 50,000 crore. So PM Modi on Doctor's Day, he had launched a credit granted scheme. It's worth rupees 50,000 crore. Why he launched this scheme? Why he launched this scheme? Because to strengthen the health facilities in areas where there is lack of health facilities. So he launched this. Because to strengthen the health infrastructure in such areas where there is a lack of health facilities. So this is also quite important question. You should remember this. Let's move to another question. What is the name of India's first indigenous aircraft carrier which will be commissioned in 2022? So it is INS Vikrant. So you should remember this. It's INS Vikrant. India's first indigenous aircraft carrier ISC INS Vikrant is expected to commission by 2022 as a tribute to the country's 75 years of independence. So this is also important question. You should remember this. Let's move to another question. Yes, this is an important question. Let me change the pen. Who has become the youngest ever Chess Grandmaster in history? The answer is Abhimanyu Mishra. Abhimanyu Mishra, a 12 years old Indian origin boy, became the youngest ever Grandmaster in chess on June 30th. It is recently. So Abhimanyu from New Jersey broke the record of 12 years. He broke the record of 12 years 7 months set by Grandmaster Sergei Karajan. Yes, it is Karajakin in 2002. This Grandmaster Sergei Karajakin set a record of on 2012, but Abhimanyu Mishra broke the record. He is 12 years old only. So this is good achievement for India. So let's move on to next question. Question number 5. Question number 5. The Drug Controller General of India, the DCGI, has rejected SSIS application to conduct the which vaccine trials on children? The answer is Covovax. An expert panel of India's Central Drug Authority on 30th June recommended against granting permission to Serum Institute of India to conduct the phase 2 and 3 trials of Covovax COVID-19 vaccine on children aged 2 to 17 years. So this is quite important question. Please remember this. So for today, this much only. There are not much current affairs questions today, so I bring only 5. So let us. So what is happening? Let me erase this first. So let us revise once. So which among the following vaccine makers has sought emergency use approval from the Indian drug regulator for its COVID-19 vaccine ZyCov D? It's Zydus Cadila. What it is happening? It is Zydus Cadila. So let's move to another. And the PM Modi announces how much worth it is 50,000 crore. Why he launched this scheme? To strengthen the health infrastructure in areas where there is lack of health facilities. So this is also important. And then it's the first indigenous aircraft of India is INS Vikrant, which will be commissioned in 2022. INS Vikrant, you should remember, and who has become the youngest ever chess grandmaster in history. It is Abhimanyu Mishra. It is Abhimanyu Mishra. So this is important. The DCGI has rejected Serum Institute of India application to conduct which vaccine trials on children. So DCGI has rejected to conduct Covovax trials on children on 30th May. So this is also important. So for today, this much only. Till then, keep watching, never stop learning. So if any kind of video you need, please do comments. So thank you.